I'm sure you all remember this little beautiful cabinet that I got from IKEA, and I installed it for my bathroom 4 years ago. And I got tired of using it, and I decided to do something new with it, to transform it into something beautiful that looks presentable. So I got inspired by one of a beautiful picture I saw on Pinterest, and I decided to do it. So this is what it looks when I made my own from the one that I got inspired from, and this looks absolutely beautiful. It has a new color, a new tone, and it gives my bathroom a little change. And obviously it's a little change, but it says a lot. The design is simple, but yet it looks very elegant and rich. And if you would like to see how I made this cabinet, just please stay tuned and keep watching. This is how I made it. I used little plywoods that I got from the store. I measured them, cut them into little sizes to fit exactly how it would match on the cupboard, and then I took my time to cut them, and then I glued them to the cupboard. But how did I glue them? I first of all, on this cabinet, I drew like some lines, like a sample of where I'll be laying it. I tried to lay them so I would have a view of how it will look on this cabinet. And this is what I'm just doing, as you can see right now. And I would like to say thank you to you all who have come to watch my channel. If this is your first time, or you have been watching me for a long time, you're welcome again. And I would like you to really stay to the end to see how I glued the woods, and also how I painted it. Please just stay tuned. Thank you very much. I also made another quote off camera, and I'm so satisfied that it turned so well. Just look at it. This cabinet is really looking very good. I'm so happy with it. I forgot to mention earlier that the feet were bad after using it for 4 years, and I went back to IKEA and they gave me a new feet totally for free. I didn't have to pay anything, and I'm so happy that this is just like new and this is beautiful. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you again. Bye.